Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma from Everything Digital, and here on this channel I talk about making money online, digital products and business finance. Well, today's video, it is my Etsy income report for the month of July. I sell digital products on Etsy. In one shop I sell printable planners and in the other one I sell editable templates. As I mentioned in my previous video, we are continuing the downward trend that we saw in the earlier months. And I really hope that this will plateau in August, and from August on we will have an increase in order number and also in the revenue and the profit, of course. The summer months usually are busy for people and not everyone is putting as much focus on their online presence or their business or anything that is related to my products, and that's why I think they are not buying them as often. And the order amount and the order value has decreased over the past 2 years as well. But I am contributing that to the growing competition on Etsy in all of the niches that I'm in, which is kind of normal because over time competition grows and new people are coming to the marketplace. So, without any further ado, I will show you my screen and let's take a look at July's numbers. So here we are in the stats dashboard, statistics, and as you can see, we have to set the date. So we will select a custom date and let's do the 1st of July to the 31st of July. Let's hit apply and let's see the numbers. So let's take a look. We had some steady visits during the month and a little bit of increase towards the end. 714 orders, a conversion rate of 3.3 just like last month, and the revenue 4,668 euros. In dollars, let's say with the exchange rate $4,750. This is just the sales. We still have to talk about fees, taxes and other business expenses. So we started the month on the sadder side with not as many orders. Some days we did not hit even 100 euros, and this is my lowest month in 3 years. But here we can see some zigzags, some better days, some not as good days. Yes, that's the whole month, kind of. It looks like that. It looks like ding ding, up down, up down. Let's see the traffic sources. Etsy brought, once again, 70% of my traffic. Etsy search is down, but SEO is up, which I'm really happy about. Direct traffic is up, which is very good. But let's compare this to last year. And it says the revenue increased 5% compared to the same period last time. Yes, the revenue increased, but since then Etsy increased their fees from 5% to 6.5%, and let's not forget the 10% inflation. Well, I'm saying 10% because in the US it hits 10%, but here in Romania it's closer to 15-16. So yes, the numbers are a teeny tiny amount bigger, 5%, but everything costs more now, so this money, I feel like it doesn't have the same value as last year. But it's good to know that there was not as big of a difference as I thought. I remember last year I felt very desperate that I'm doing everything that I'm supposed to and I'm not getting the sales. So yes, that's how things are right now, and to be honest, I'm feeling those same feelings again, and I'm trying to come up with a strategy to increase these numbers. And I really hope that the numbers will pick up starting in late August and September. So yes. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is the editable template shop, and I will show a screenshot from my phone at the end of this video. about the printable planner shop, and to my surprise, the results are quite surprising, so stay tuned for those results. So we can see that the net profit after the Etsy fees was 3,416 euros, about 3,500 and something US dollars. In July I had to pay some expenses that will not come up in the near future, so those are eliminated, and I also cancelled a few subscriptions. I will post next week or the week after that a reset video. I know it will be late, or I will do it August reset for September, but I will talk about the business budget and the business expenses again. And if you have some specific questions regarding the expenses, leave it in the comment section down below, and I can talk about more in detail in that video, and I will try to answer all of those questions there. We had total sales of 4,968 euros, out of which I had one refund. Sales tax 110, VAT 185, and I got some small credits. So, Etsy fees were 894 euros, 185 euros listing fees, 304 euros transaction fees, 412 euros processing fees, and some bits of credit that I get with the Etsy Plus subscription. And let's check the marketing costs for July. We spent a total of 358 euros, out of which 303 went on Etsy ads, 44 on offsite ads, and the usual 9.99 on the Etsy Plus subscription. So yes, that's it. So we had a profit of 3,416 euros in this shop. Now let's talk about the printable planner shop. So I will take my phone and let's check the numbers. I will post the screenshots right here. Compared to last month, here we have an increase about 100 euros in sales, but as you can see, compared to last year, we have 40% less in sales. This means that last year I had sales of almost 1,000 euros, and this year I only have 630. I did not put as much work into this shop, and I was neglecting it, to be fair, but still 40% drop is quite significant. So yes, and let's check the monthly statement also. So as you can see, we had sales of 634 euros, and we had all the fees up to 134 and 11.50 for the marketing fees. So Etsy is telling me that I had 488 euros in profit in this shop. Just to summarize, in the month of July we made a grand profit after Etsy fees. Before all of the other business expenses, we brought in 3,904 euros, which is about 4,000 US dollars. For being the summer, I will take this number and I will be grateful for it, and I am for every order that I get. But as every business owner in their heart is stressed because we are used to seeing bigger numbers, and this slower period is making me anxious, to be quite honest. And I hope that next week's vacation, when we are going out of the country, will lift my spirits and give me some inspiration, so that I can dive into working and creating more and more products and creating more and more content for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you find these videos very helpful. It helps me, well, I hope it will help me next year when I look back on these income reports, and I will see how I felt when I made them and how I felt about the results. And I really hope that this time next year we will have better results, despite the fact that it will be the summer. So yeah, that will be for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. See you in the next one. Bye bye!